Yo, man's live. Market's open, boy. That's hella annoying, bro. I can't even lie to you. G. What? Yeah. Seems like we're trending up. We're currently in the middle of the range. Mm, even within the middle of, you know, this range, nothing I want to be involved in here. I'd put my money down here. Apart from that, yeah, price isn't. I'm not willing to engage in price in any of these areas. So as you can see, we had so basically we had a high time frame pullback here. You see one swing, two swings, and then a reversal, and then we saw. Let me make it accurate. Hold on a second. You see it tap back into the zone. Um, so yeah, one, two, flip, mitigated 50, even the 70 as well. Really and truly, the origin of this move here on a lower time frame, we step down to this move here, tap the 50% of this right there, 70 as well. I had to shift off. Let me yeah. And then we just had to we got one, two. Okay. Okay, let me what did I just do? Okay. Where are we? Anyway, basically, if I just had a general idea here, if I had to look for a short, it would be above this high. Okay, cool. That means it would be below this low and into the zone. Yeah, alright, cool. Okay. But yeah, um, we'll see. Start to see that little harmonic pattern here. Look at the origin of this move down. Let's see what it does. Fuck's sake, let me just full screen this. All right. lower time frame zone here. Let me examine this up candle real quick. Oh, it's a whole wick. It didn't mean to do that, but there we go. So this area here is a high time frame wick. And we see a little tap and leave, like, woo! But yeah, top of the range. If you're short and then yeah, you'd still have to see a confirmation here. There's no reason why you would be shorting right here, you know. Structure is still holding. As you see, this is the protected low here. But I'm longing though, but this is the area which I'm willing to put my money on. So man just gotta wait. Get I may as well see what I'm going up here in it. Let me check the 12. Yeah, I'll see what I'm going up here. I'm only expecting that small rejections here, simply because we are bullish. When we look at higher time frame structure, we're clearly going up. But you could see some little scalps, you know, some little sell positions here that you can scalp over here. Is this accurate? Oh yeah, I'm looking at this and that, yeah. Yeah, so this is the origin of the move that sent price down. We got this low, putting that high, putting this low, putting that high. So actually, it's the last top candle, yeah. So this is the swing responsible for putting it down, you know, the origin of the move. But for accuracy's sake, we're gonna use the up candle. So look, we broke structure. Now you want to be careful because we usually know that first break that you see is usually fake. So that purple there is for manipulation, and this red is usually the target. keep in mind that we are also at the top of the range too. So let's just see how price pans out on it. If not, if we don't take this high, then of course we'd be in a, okay, this is a, anyway, an hourly pullback. We get a body closure here in a 1 minute. Yes, indeed. Yeah, so we're currently pulling back. So either this pullback creates this 2 to 3, whatever swings, and then reverses. However, price is gonna deliver. I'm looking for this high to be taken. Wow, I just realized then this is also a higher time frame zone. It's not even low time frame. Let me actually hold on. We had this price came down to mitigate this zone. Yeah, okay, cool. We haven't finished this. We haven't finished this narrative, but let me just at least do this. Let me do that. I'll play like that. Yeah. So now we know that this zone hits from here. All right, cool. But I can't even lie to you, bro. Fuck that. I'm removing this from my chart, but I know it's there though. But it's too much information that I don't need. Like I'm not using. The only things that I'm actually using is this zone here, this zone here, this zone here. I'd much rather keep my chart simple like that. But yeah, for you man watching, obviously you get it, you get it. Um, let's see what I'm going though. Asia is slow, slowest volatility, slowest session. So, however, Asia is the best session to learn how price moves because the slower the volatility is slow, man, but the volatility is slow, but it's the most accurate. So when it comes to you learning your zones, what learning which areas you can trust to trade from, or Asia is your session, G. Asia is that session to learn. Now, of course, you don't have to like actually be in an Asia session to learn it. You can go and backtest it too, which is actually way better because you could get through more data that way rather than actually waiting real time, you know. What was responsible for that? Okay. Wait, where are you? Okay, cool. Uh, I'm waiting for this to be taken before I even consider longs. Yeah. In fact, did we? even this is the last down move. Yeah, but it's in a lower time frame. Even here, holy shit, hold on. Yeah, we didn't close below this low. Okay, that's calm. That's calm then. So yeah, I'm still waiting for this low to be taken. Ultimately, I'm only willing to put money on what? What's that? 70. That's a lie. 69 to 62. 62 to 69 around those areas there. We do have the origin of the move. I just clocked it. It was just there. I'm gonna just point that out right there. I'm willing to put my money there too. What's that? 60 and 56 around them areas there. Hold on. All right. You see this little zone here? See us tap into the 50 and I see a rejection. Most likely we get that one-to-one right there. Now, if you watch the free playlist, this is what Dave teaches. Something that you should backtest. Gain trust in. See that? Boom. Of course, this is mechanically, right? You wouldn't actually be placing your decisions here. However, it's a concept that you should learn and apply as Dave teaches it in his free playlist. And bro, it will. That's exactly what you see me using here, actually. The 50% of high time frame and low time frame zones. That's the 50%. That's the 50. That's the 50. You see the 70 here. The only reason I have the 70 is to actually identify where I'm willing to, all right, cool, let me just chill. I'm not, like, we've mitigated a bit too deep. You feel me? Because usually you see around, when price mitigates too deep, let's say like here, then I would use, that's like a signal to be like, okay, cool, let me see if there's any zones below here. Usually that's the origin of the move. I'll be like, cool, let me mark out the origin of the move. Now, if we get below that, let's say we had a closure here or whatever, then that's like an early sign for me to be like, all right, cool, we could be looking to take out these lows. So it's really the 50% you should be paying attention to. Start there. It's the best place to start your yeah, we currently have our second swing from, bouncing from this zone. Let's see if we put in a, let's see if we reverse, we take out this high, or we put in another third swing and then we reverse. Because though this S&D responsible is at the top of the range, it's still an S&D responsible. So we could see a, if we do break this low, we could see a bounce that breaks structure to the top and ends up taking out these highs. Oh, you know what? I don't know. We follow price. I'm just explaining what I've seen over and over and over and over again. You feel me? But price can do whatever the fuck it does. Can't lie. Let me see. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna see what's going on for some other pairs. I've been interested in gold lately, and I'm gonna start trading gold. I had some. The fuck is this? Let me just remove it. I'm gonna do a top down real quick. Let's go. This is on 70, right? Yeah, let's go. All right, cool. What do I see? Mm, okay, come on, come on. There we go. Boom. Uh, oh shit. Let's do that, and then let me just put it back like that. And that's just on the daily. So we are currently at the top of the range. We have this huge imbalance here. Let's go to the day. In fact, fuck that. Let me see the daily objectives though first. Okay. So we have this high and we have this low. Okay, cool. We're currently at the bottom of the range. We tapped into the origin of the move. I will mark that out real quick. Like that. So we see the tap into the 50 and move away. Um, let me I like to highlight, these ones. But ew, what are these colors though? Even that look ugly. The fuck? Hold on. I'll use that. Um, yeah, we got a huge dump. Uh, I'm looking for the rest of this imbalance to be taken. We have this daily high, and just below it, we have a high that's not part of structure. That is my target. Well, both of my targets, real talk, but that is another target I'll be looking for price to take out. Let's go to the 15. Oh shit, I'm getting just clicking everywhere. So we got one, two, three. We could see a move up. Mm, however, we're still in a downtrend. That's the fact. So I'm not looking for any longs within this range here. Allow all of that. I'm gonna wait for this low to be taken. What's that? At 2157? 57. Below 57, I'll be looking for some longs. That's in the 50-minute anyway. At the top of the range. We're in the middle of the range as of right now. We have the origin of the move up here. That's also responsible for this break. So this is, I'm not gonna jump to conclusions, but ultimately, Did this even break structure? Hold on. Because if it did, then that's a significant. Which low are we talking about? We got this, that, that put in that high, that had this low, and then put in this low, put in, yeah, yeah, cool, 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 cool. And then with the body closure there, boom, boom. Now I need to know, yeah, okay, cool. So ultimately, I am looking for this low to get taken. Let me make this red. I'll make this like two or something. Nah, fuck that. I'll make that one. But why though? Why? Simply because we are at the top of the range. We're at a huge imbalance up. And we know that when price pumps like this, the first people to sell this market usually get liquidated. And then the real moves. The real move happens to take out the people. So people that chase sells usually get liquidated. By who? People that chase buys at the top of the range. People that trade the concept of break and retest, right? They usually get stopped out. So that's why I'm looking for this low to break. That's on a higher time frame though. Let me check the 15 again. Let's see what we're going where we are. We're downtrending. Okay, cool. Let's check the 1 minute. Oh wow, bro. Yo, the gold moves like this? Oh, why is the structure looking so clean for that? What's this? So this closure above this high initiated the pullback. Now this pullback, let me not confuse you, man. So let's just do this. That's one. This pullback here is in the same time frame as this swing. So don't think that this down movement here is something to go all the way down here. No, we could have the potential. What did I say? 2 to 3 swings on a pullback, right? So we could have some bullshit, take it and then tap into the 50 here, do whatever here, and then see a movement back down. Let me just mark this out for y'all so you guys know what I'm talking about. Come on, man. Oh my days, yo. And I'm gonna make that make it 2x. Yeah, 4x. That's OD, bro. Like, oh, I don't need that. Hold on. We don't need that either. Don't need that either. So that's the type of shit I'm looking for. And I was gonna say, yeah. I swear, trading view, you're taking a piss, G. Just fucking lock onto the wick. Like, what are you doing? There we go. Yo, talk about meticulous. Like, shit. There we go. And then we lock that in place. So that's ultimately what I'm looking at. Yeah, so that's gold. Now, forget this. That's just, let me go back on the 15. The fact is, even though I do say this is what I'm anticipating, the fact is structure is bullish. That's why I'm anticipating some bullish movement, especially after hitting the origin of the move. What? So, there's a lot of factors to take place, but these factors shouldn't really overwhelm you, You shouldn't be considering so many factors because price is either going to do one thing or another, and it's either it meets your conditions or it doesn't, So you're good, man. You're good. That's gold. Um, ain't nothing. Anyway, let's see what these men are doing. We got one, two, three. I'm looking for this now. If not, that's cool. Then that just means I'm closer to my conditions being met to trade. But make this a habit though, yo. Make it a habit in counting your swings. This is it's one thing that allows you to time yourself really as to when you actually enter into the market. Check video 2 of the free playlist, that free masterclass in the description. It goes more in depth on this. What are these arrows here? I think that's the previous day high and low, right? No, before. Yeah. So there must be targets. Oh yeah, S&D responsible and right. People chasing sales. Right. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What time is London? 8 o'clock. I'm normally on the charts around what 9:30. I'm gonna start extending these areas. Oops. It's 9:30. Yeah, around there. Um. mm, 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 yeah, I'll extend you as well. Um, yeah, these I don't really see lasting too much, but oh well. Yeah, these are the major areas in which we can see some bounces. Okay, yeah, top of the range. I don't want to get involved in that. We do see some type of we do see price generating liquidity on both sides. Usually when you see this type of formation, you see this type of pattern, this behavior in price, you'll usually get a breakout in either direction to an unmitigated area of price and then a move back in to the previous range in whichever side it does first. I think I mentioned that already. I don't know, but well, whatever. Yeah, let's see what's going on the 5. So you see, if you guys watch video 5 on on that free playlist, you'll know. That's the introduction of S&D responsibles, I believe. This zone, this last down move, was responsible for breaking structure, right? A structural high, a higher time frame high. However, this zone is placed at the top of the range. And for that simple fact there, it's unlikely that this zone will hold. But don't get it twisted though. It's because it's the S&D responsible for the break that we can see a quick scalp from it, a quick up move from it, or likewise if it was in a downtrend, a down move from it. But if you back test this specific zone here, I can't lie, it does happen often, so you will see it many times. You will notice that this zone fails more often than not. So placing your money here, nah, I wouldn't recommend it. I know I decided not to, but of course that's up to you. You feel me? I recommend that you back test this, zones at the top of the range when you're bullish. Likewise, if you're bearish, I think where you at? Shit, I lost myself. That's it there, right? Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't know. I tried to invert the charts, but I'm confused as hell, bro. But anyway, likewise, invert the chart, zones at the bottom of the range in a bearish trend, you shouldn't be using. Yeah. So yeah, go back test that and build on top of that. Damn, fuck was that? This is the third swing, right? 2 to 3 swings on a pullback, you usually get a reversal. Oh yeah, this high is here. Shit. Yo, I see. Yo, I'll be forgetting like this shit all the time. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing because I always end up remembering, oh yeah, that's the drawings there. Like, it's like whenever I analyze something, I always forget it. But I don't know. It's like I know that it's a knowing. Let's just say that it's just a knowing. Maybe what they call intuition or some shit. Not sure, but it is slightly weird how like right now I don't know what the fuck is going on the higher time frame, even though I marked out all of it. I'll probably zoom out like this and be like, okay, cool, where am I in price? Because I do that often and I'm like, okay, cool. Wait, what's this zone over here? All right, high time frame, this one down move. Okay, cool. So let me chat to you about that also. The when you're focused on the lower time frames, it's easy to forget where you are in price, which can be fatal, very fatal. So it's a good practice to zoom out. This you see the way my 1 minute chart is zoomed out. In fact, yo, forget the 5 second real quick. When you're analyzing, this is how your chart should look. And I'm not talking about my, okay, cool, pardon me, but I'm not talking about my markups. I'm talking about the way you view price, the perspective in which you view price. You should be zoomed out to the max. So you see the whole field, you see the whole map, so you can truly see what's going on. And now you're able to make a more informed decision, a better decision, right? Because check it, when you're on the lower time frames and you're zoomed in like this to the point where you can start to see the candles with the wicks clearly, you start seeing, oh, we broke above this high, we're bullish. Or maybe if you're just zoomed out just a little bit, you'd be like, oh, we just broke above this high, yo, we're bullish. Or oh shit, we just dumped through this low, yo, we're bearish. We're just moving, oh, yeah, we're probably gonna take what, sell side down here, but bro, that you don't have that higher time frame backing though. You think we're going higher and higher, but you gotta realize we're at the top of the range on the 1 minute, by the way. But like, you think we're going lower and lower, but you gotta realize we're at the bottom of the range. So your high time frame structure, or in this specific example that I'm talking about, your high time frame zones are important. It lets you know where you are, or it helps you to know where you are in price, and helps you make less hasty decisions. But really and truly, but how did we get to that point? Oh yeah, I didn't. Oh yeah, I did this before the market was open, innit? So how did I get to this point? I'm not gonna do it again, but it's just a top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Just understand. See, yeah, I did this way before market open, but understand where you are in price, because the higher time frame has more influence than the lower time frames. You can't step into the market and look for an entry when you don't even know where you are. You don't even know what going, like what's going on in the higher time frame. Like you don't even know. No, like come on, man, that don't make sense. Now you know which areas you can see price have a major reaction to. So I'm on. Did we get a closure? No. Oh, let me verify that. Yeah, we didn't. We didn't. Ooh. We talking. What was this? Okay. We had a dump here. So of course. Boom. Right. Cool. Um. Boom. 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 Okay. Mm. So we just tap into the 50, 70. So let's see if this S&D. This is the S&D responsible, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll see what we do. If we get a body closure above there, then we can see some what we can target this high up there. If we do close above this high at 84.25, let's see, we got 4 seconds left. Yeah, let's see how this next candle looks. Nice. That body closure there. The S&D responsible here. Yeah. Let's see how this plays out. Now, this is just me projecting mechanically. I would not place my money here. This is just a scenario where if if price were to go up, then this is the type of sequence I'd look for. Or, I'd I'd like to see price do. Now, why would I not be putting my money here? Because we're at the top of the range. See how it broke this higher time frame high, but look at the location of the zone. Ultimately, what I want to see this slow get taken. Now, I like seeing this because it gives me more validation and you shouldn't be in these entries anyway, like I told you guys. Where are we? We're at the zone at the top of the range. I saw my entry confirmation happen, and look what just happens. I get stopped out. My stop loss would have been here behind a 1 minute wick. Now, by now, yo, it's unconscious to me that, yo, cool, yeah, don't take zones at the top of the range. But I know for people watching the stream, it's helpful for them to also see it too. Let me remove all of this. Um, um, I should even make this purple for manipulation. I should have done that ages ago. Yeah, yeah, at the top of the range. You don't want to entertain that. Got one, two, three. You have four. You could be looking for this high here. Oops. So yeah, it's also important to be trailing. Yo, structure is the number one thing that you need to. Structure, 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 ah, structure. That's the number one thing that you need to get down, yo. And how do you get there? How do you even develop your ability to analyze structure? Is just by trailing your highs and lows, valid highs and lows. And if you're wondering what they are, just go to that free masterclass in the description. You get it. That I ain't finna be teaching all of that. The information is right there in front of you. You see me? So that's why you pay attention to your highs, your protected highs, your protected highs, your protected highs. So in the event that we do break, then now you know that your directional bias has shifted and you can anticipate some higher prices. Let me see what gold is doing. It seems that we're tapping into this zone here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do we do? Boom. 4 to 6 swings, guys. Um, boom, 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 boom. You see, okay, cool. I'm looking for these guys to be taken. Make this a different color. Right. That's what I'm looking for. Why? Why am I looking for that? Because we know people were chasing buyers up here. They usually get stopped out. And then the people that stop them out, people that chase sells, they get stopped out too. Hold on. We do have a bunch of lows here though. So pay attention to this zone here. Yeah, pay attention to this zone here. We even have a little low here that we can take. And pay attention to this as well. Hold on, there, yeah, pay attention to that. Yeah, that's for gold. That's what I've got for gold at the moment. But yeah, yeah, I never thought I'd be doing this. That just doing multiple charts at the same time. But that's Asia for you, right? Slow as fuck. How about anything else I'm interested in? Eh, yeah. So zone at the top of the range gets liquidated, right? I'm telling you, I see it time and time again. You don't want to be entering positions from, even though yes, it's the S&D responsible, but this is just another case of knowing when to and when not to. Something real simple. So we have our what's this? One, two, three, our fourth swing here. And then we got our fifth swing there, and we want to see still anticipating reversals. You feel me? Especially after taking what a higher time frame low. Let me see what the 1 minute's looking like. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. After literally what I was explaining for gold, we see a body closure below a higher time frame low. The first people that usually step into the market get liquidated, and then the people that liquidated them, they usually get liquidated too. And most likely we can look to take out this protected high, fulfilling the 4 to 6 swings narrative. But you know, I'm talking a bit too soon. I'm talking a bit too soon. But yeah, you don't want to be don't participate in them type of market conditions. What am I talking about? Basically breaking retest, yo. Breaking a higher time frame high, either being the the person that counter trends it thinking that, oh, we must go in opposite direction. The market has extended so much. Ooh, 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 ooh. Or whatever reason you may have to be counter trending that move. Or the person that waits for the retest and then goes when price is already in an extended area. Like, my G, like, both sides get chopped up. Yo, like, chill. Top of the range, bottom of the range, top of the range, bottom of the range, top of the range, bottom of the range. Or buy low, sell high. Why would you be selling here? Why would you be selling here? We're neither high or low. We're in the middle. Don't make any hasty decisions. Just sit and wait. See what the market gives you. Now, okay, cool, granted, yeah. If you're trading on, 5 second zones, then cool. Yeah, you could wait for this high to be taken, tap into the 50 here, top of the range, and then probably see a scalp down. That's cool. You do you. That's that's plausible. But is that something I'd look for? Because like I said, looking for shorts for me, I'm not good at that, to be honest. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, yeah, that's something I'd look for a long. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So you're looking for shorts. Ooh, ooh, I'd wait for this high to get taken. Never mind this one. I'll wait for that one to get taken. Tap into this origin up there. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, where is it located? What? Where is it located? No. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. Hmm. But yeah, I'm about to hop off, yo. It's been a good stream. I talked on real basic shit, but it's enough to keep you going. It's enough to make you profitable. Backtest, keep backtesting, keep backtesting, keep backtesting. That's what's gonna give you. It's about the reps. It's about the experience. It's about seeing things over and over and over again and building a trust in the areas that you trade from. So I'm gone. Yo, follow me on Twitter. Follow me on. Oh shit, it's called X now. You feel? Ooh, damn. Times have changed. But yo, follow me on X. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the free masterclass in the description. And yeah, man's cutting. I'm knocking out. But I'm gonna go to sleep. Then I'll catch you guys on London session, 9:30 GMT. And yeah, safe. I'm gone.